What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. As you guys see, we got the Camry right here, and it has been a while since I posted on here. Honestly, I don't even know how long it's been. I'm so sorry. I keep saying I'm going to be posting once a week, but take a look at the Camry. The newest update is that it's fully wrapped. We got a couple different modifications on it, but I want to make this video just updating you guys on everything that we have on the Camry, where I got it from, and everything like that. But we got the wrap. It's supposed to be a fierce fuchsia, but the guy we got the wrap from got it wrong. It's some different color, but it still looks amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you guys saw one of my most recent videos, we got 20mm spacers. The fitment looks amazing on the car, especially at the ride height. It looks insane. But yeah, let me go do a little walk around the car just in case you guys want to see what's new to the car. But yeah, let's get straight to it. We changed the trunk spoiler, changed the roof spoiler, changed the diffuser, changed the spats. We took off the tinted reflectors. You put clear reflectors. It's a clear diffuser light. You see a little something right here, but we're not going to talk about that in this video right here. If you guys do want to purchase, I'll leave the link in the bio. But if you guys want to get that, you can go to the website or you can go to TikTok shop. We got the clear reflectors. We got the Yofer V2 diffuser and the Yofer spats, along with the Yofer spoiler, along with that roof spoiler. If you guys want to purchase, you can go to KBTuning's website as well. But that's what's new on the car. Let's see. The side skirts are still the same. We took off the other diffuser we had, but the side skirt's still the same. Let's see what else. We tried wrapping the calipers in the reflective wrap, which we're not going to talk about that. We're taking that off, so don't worry about that. But we did take off the lip because it got damaged, unfortunately. So we're going to wait till we get a new one from KBTuning, but this is what we have for now. If you guys want this type of lip as well, you can get it from KBTuning's website as well. These DRLs, you can get it from the website as well. But we put the front plate back on because we've been getting so many tickets. If you guys saw on my TikTok what's been going on, but the car looks sick with this color. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you guys like this color? The car is not clean. It's a little bit dirty, so don't mind how it looks right now, but it does look sick. Like, it looks amazing with the tint. Fully blacked out roof looks amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much what we did new to the car. And yeah, I love the rear fitment. Let me get an angle from back here. The 20mm spacers are amazing. Take a look at that fitment in the rear, man. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But this thing looks sick. I love how it's looking. But we got a lot of things planned for this car, along with, if you guys saw what I posted on TikTok or Instagram, we are getting a new car, which we'll be making content on. If you guys want to guess what car it is in the comments down below, you can go ahead and do that. But we're not going to get into that right now. If anybody has any questions or wants me to do anything with this car, any types of videos, whatever, please comment down below. I'm willing to do whatever you guys want me to do. But yeah, I did really want to make a YouTube video on here just to show you guys exactly what's going on with the Camry, what's the update. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can notice, but somebody hit the Camry. We got a huge dent right here. I don't know what, you guys can't really notice it on the camera, but there's one dent right there, one huge one right there. But if you guys can let me know if that's fixable, if we got to get a replacement fender. But yeah, if you guys, I do have something to say. KBTuning just started selling a full gloss black conversion kit for the Camry. So it comes with the gloss black grille, the gloss black sensor, the gloss black DRLs, and the gloss black lower lip. And it will make your car look 10 times better. Oh, I forgot to mention, it comes with these gloss black pieces as well. And yeah, if you guys do have any questions, feel free to DM me or comment down below, or DM KBTuning's Instagram. And yeah, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. We're gonna go ahead and end the video off right here, but we're gonna get back to doing POV drives, updates, all that good stuff on here. But yeah, if you guys are hyped, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. I would appreciate it. If you are new, this is a 2022 Toyota Camry SE. We did fully upgraded it to everything, lady, anything you can ask for. The interior, the exterior. Let me show you guys the interior is looking like. I almost forgot to give you guys the update on the interior. But yeah, let's open up this door. Wow, man, take a look. Ambient lighting, steering wheel. We got stars in the roof, which looks amazing. But yeah, man, this thing is sick. The ambient lighting kit, if you guys are interested, you can purchase it from the KBTuning website as well. If you have a 18 to 22 or Honda Accord, you can get it. Or if you want to get the universal kit, you can get that as well. But the stars is also done by KBTuning. I think they're going to be putting Starlight kits on the website as well soon. So if you guys want to go take a look at that. But yeah, RGB headlights, tail lights, whatever you guys need, go check out the website. I'll leave all the links in the description. But yeah, man, I love you all, and I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your holidays if you do celebrate. But yeah, man, peace out. I love you all.